Whether you have never flown an RC plane before or if you are a pro, this is such a fun set to play with and to fly around. It's got great control. The remote is awesome, makes it super easy to fly and navigate. And then I just love the real look of it. And now using the remote, you control the propellers, the speed of it, for going up, down, turning. I love flying it in a large, flat field area type space like this, where you have plenty of room without hitting trees, without hitting the house. I will admit, on my first flight, I was unsure of what I was doing, and I did run into my house, but it still worked very well. But overall, I'm very impressed with this plane. Try it out in a large area, especially on your first go around. Don't do it near trees or the house so you don't damage it. But even so, it still works great. Even after I've flown into my house a few times, got it stuck in a tree. But highly recommend this remote control plane. Super great. You can throw it to start. Also has wheels that you can put on. I don't do it with the wheels, but you also have wheels that can go onto it to be able to start and take off, and also to even try your luck at landing it with the wheels. So it even comes with extra wheels. So highly recommend it. Thanks to the brand for providing it for me.